Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to here, I am Chetna Soni and I make videos on skincare, makeup, and a lot of creative work. Like today, what I talk about, like is book recommendation I'll have. So I have read quite a lot of book, especially this year. So I thought, why not to make video about it and tell you some of my really beautiful books that I have read. So, yeah, let's get started. So, first of all, I started reading books when I was mostly in 11 or 12, and mostly I started with Chetan Bhagat. Yeah, don't judge me, but yeah. I have started with Chetan Bhagat, and anyone who's very new to book reading, I think that is very good book to read from Chetan Bhagat and everything. So yeah, so it was like 3 Idiot or 5 Point Someone that I have read, because it just set the rhythm to read. If you are new to book reading, then it will set a rhythm for to read the book you that you can say. So yeah, so I'll just straight go into my books reading. So first I'll talk about the book that I completed this year is this The Forest of Enchantment. So this is basically by Chitra Banerjee and Divakar Rooney. So yeah, so this book is mostly about so if you know Ramayan, then it's mostly on that. But the perspective how Sita look, all the things that happen in Ramayana in her perspective, that is a very interesting to know. Like how Sita thinks, whatever happening, what are the events happened in the Ramayana and everything. So yeah, if you are interested in little bit mythological, and also like how woman perspective see the things around them, then you can definitely see this book. It's a really good book actually. Like I continuously read this book. Like it will not break the rhythm, you know, when you start reading. The some of the book that I'll tell you that I just break it, it just break the rhythm, that I don't, sometimes I just stop reading it in between, and then when I get interest again, then I start read it again. So yeah, this book is very good. So okay, now we'll go to our next book. That is self-help book that I recently got from my office. There's a book fair was in my office. So yeah, I got this book. It's very small, so I thought just take it. And it's self-help book. So yeah, it's actually very good. It's the writer is Darius Forox. So he talk about like usually, you know, when we get lost of in lot of thinking in our head, and you know, and actually it doesn't matter too much when when a third person perspective you take, then you think like, oh, it doesn't matter that मैं जितना मैं सोच रहा था अपने दिमाग में, इतना ज़्यादा भी कोई जो मैटर आपको परेशान कर रहा है वो है नहीं. So you can start this book from anywhere. There is different topics. You can start it from everywhere, and it will make you instantly calm, and you know, make you think like, what are you thinking, why are you getting so much irritated or frustrated or anxious. So this book is really good if you are just irritated by adulting or something. So yeah, I think this book is really good. I usually, when I feel very irritated or too much goes in my head, then I usually go to this book and see and just read 1 2 chapter, and then I just restart thinking about the situation that I'm going through. So yeah, this is very good book. third book is kind of self-help book. And if you, I think most of people know about this Ikigai, a Japanese secret to live long and happy life. Like how it's just a concept, like you know, what's the purpose of your life. It will tell you like how you can invent your purpose of life, how you can work on that, and how you can deal with stress. They will tell you different kind of meditation things, how Japanese people who usually live very long, around those who live around 100 years, above 100 years, how they see their life, and what work for them, that if they are still living very happily in their life, especially whatever happened in world wars they have gone through and everything. So yeah, if you are looking something, if you want to understand how to find your purpose, and there is also something like how you keep yourself healthy, and what Japanese people do to keep themselves uh, happy and keep them strong physically and mentally as well. So yeah, there is a lot of, and what you should eat, there's a lot of thing about it that you can go through this book. So yeah, there's also a lot of interview from people, those are considered very happy, healthy, and how they led their life and all these things. So yeah, this book is quite good if you want to like see how Japanese people live their life. Because if you see in general, whatever Japanese people do, they do it very with very, you know, passion. And even if you see any Japanese product, they are usually very good. So yeah, they usually, what I, if you see the lot of documentary I have seen, so there is a lot of people I have saw that they are doing the same work from like 70-80 years, and they're still very excited about it every day when they go to work. So yeah, this book is tell you about everything, and how can you go to your like how can you make your life like them, happy and healthy. Yeah. So yeah, there is one book I in between I very got interested in Ayurveda and everything, because as you know, Indian people have lot of knowledge ऑन थिंग, बेसिकली जिसको हम कहते हैं कि ये नाना नानी के नुस्खे थे, इस टाइप की चीज़ें, कि पहले के लोग जो थे वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्दी थे, और इतनी ज़्यादा बीमारियां भी नहीं होती थी जो अभी आ रही हैं. तो हाउ दे लेट देयर लाइफ, इसमें बहुत सारी आपके पास आपको मिलेगा कि इसमें बहुत सारे तरीके हैं कि by way of Ayurveda, how they, when they rise, their food, how they clean their teeth, hands, their morning routine according to Ayurveda, and everything related to Ayurveda is there. So yeah, if you are interested in Ayurveda or something, if you want to lead your life in the way of Ayurveda, then you can definitely check this one. This is a really good book actually. So yeah, that is fourth book that I have read. Now I come to this brilliant writer Murakami. I know if you are a bookworm, then I think you must be heard his name. So yeah, this person Murakami, I just finished, I think it's been 1 week I have just finished this book, Kafka on the Shore. So this is really book, I just hooked into it from though that 1 week. I was like, when I was eating, I'm reading this book. Even when I was working, if I get the time, then I was reading this book. Even I used to take this book to office, and whenever I get the time, there is very beautiful places in my office where you can sit and chill and read. So I just took this book to my office, and yeah, it's basically about there's a lot of plots. There are a lot. When first I was reading this book, I read one chapter, and second chapter is totally different from it. At that time I thought about like मैंने गलत बुक ले ली है क्या, or is it duplicate book or something. Then I read and I found out that these are the parallel stories that are going together. And after that, if you go half of it, then you understand, oh, how these are related to each other. So the plot and the twist and the way he written this book, so much beautiful. You will be hooked, I'm sure. You will be hooked to this book, and such a beautiful narration, and the plots and the characters are there. I'm just imagining everything on just in front of me, how every character is saying his line or her line. This is quite beautiful. If I'll just recommend one book, if you want to, then you should definitely go through this book. It's so quite a nice book. I just completed this book in 1 week, so now you understand what I'm saying. It's quite and Murakami in general is, it's every, I think, book is very, famous. And now I know why they usually say read Murakami and everything. I think Japanese writers are like quite, you know, very good in this writing thing. Yeah, and one again, the next one is this again Murakami. That the first book that I read from this writer Murakami is this Norwegian Wood. So yeah, this book is also right. I just came to know when I was reading. It's this, what do we say, इनका होता है ना, प्रोलॉन्ग होता है जहाँ पर ये डिस्क्राइब करते हैं about the author and everything. So then I got to know that this from, because Murakami wrote lot of book before it, but the recognition that he got from this book, from there he's starting to have a name, like as a writer, as a very famous writer. So if you are want to start with Murakami, you can start with this very beautiful story about a person, and it is kind of a little bit of a, like, a love story plus बहुत दुख भी है इसमें. So yeah, it will take you a lot of emotion from through the character. So yeah, if you want to read, this is also very good book to read, because after reading this book I went to this book and I have to read more about work of Murakami. So yeah, this one two book I definitely recommend to you if you want to see what a beautiful novel or writing is. Now currently I am just reading this The Palace of Illusion. I told you, right, that rhythm that a book set usually happen with me, all these books, but I don't know why. For this book I'm not getting the rhythm still, but yeah, I'm just getting back to it to read. I think I have read half through it. Yeah, so yeah, I'll read about it. It's a, already I showed you one of this person Chitra Banerjee's work, that is The Forest of Enchantment. So this is a Palace of Illusion. It's basically about the same, again a mythological kind of characters and everything, Mahabharat. So this is the same, how Draupadi see every event and everything that happened in Mahabharat through her perspective. So yeah, if you are interested in these kind of books, then it's also very good book to read, to see like how it's usually बहुत ही बेचारा दिखा देते हैं लड़कियों को, अनफ्रजाइल दिखा देते हैं, but when you read this book they are quite strong women, like Sita know how to fight and everything, all these things, to use weapons and everything. And while I was going through this book where Draupadi, I just got to know Draupadi had had crush on Karna. So yeah, that's quite interesting fact that I got to know about. I didn't know that. Yeah. So yeah, this is the last book that I'm reading. So yeah, in if you that's what I have suggestion for now. I'll make another video when I'll read a lot of book and tell you what you should read. I'll give the links of all these books if you want to check it out from my channel in the description. Yeah. Also, if you have any suggestion what book I should read, or you got some exciting book with you, any book suggestion you have, just you can comment down on my channel in this video, and I'll go to that book and read about it. So thank you. That's all for today, and thank you so much for the previous video, the love you have shown to my channel. And yeah, so I'll take a leave, and if you like this video, if you like any suggestion of my book, just please go to the links, you can find the book. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.